Hi everyone, it's Professor Todd here with a quick tutorial on how to record a video response to a discussion board. So the first thing you'll do is open your class and choose the discussion board that you would like to respond to. I'm going to go into our week 1 discussion board here. Before you begin recording, I recommend that you read the discussion board prompt and prepare some notes or an outline or a script for yourself. This will just help give focus to your video, make sure that you answer all portions of the prompt, and hopefully minimize any errors or tangents that you might have during the video. Because the videos are not editable, if you do make mistakes, you have to re-record them, but they are really easy to do and they're a great way to respond to your discussion boards in class. When you've got your script or your outline ready and you're ready to get going with recording your video, you'll come down here and click reply, just like you would if you were going to type a written response here in the dialog box. But instead of doing that, you're going to come over here and select this media icon and drop down to upload and record media. This will open a box with a few different options. One, you could create a video on your computer and drag and drop it. You could make one on YouTube and embed it. But really the easiest thing to do is just record right here in Canvas. So I'm going to click record and this will open up my webcam. Here I am. And once I'm ready to start my video, I'll come down and click the start recording button. And now I can record my video response to my discussion board, and when I'm all done, I will hit finish. Now I can preview the video by clicking this play button here. And now I can record my video response to my discussion board, and when I'm all done, I will hit finish. If for some reason I wasn't happy with the video, I could delete it and start over here. But since I am happy with it, I'm going to click save. And the video will be populated right here into the dialog box. And now I can submit my post just as I would if I had written a response by clicking this post reply button. And you'll see my response will show up right here in the discussion board thread. If you wanted to reply to someone else's post, you would really just follow the exact same steps. You would click on reply, come down here and select our media icon, upload and record media, and do the exact same thing that we just did and click post reply. There's one little error that I noticed, or not really an error, but an issue. If you are in the, if you're not in the full screen mode and you click on reply, some of the icons don't show up. So you have to click these 3 little dots to get the extra icons. And here is our media icon and upload and record media. So I hope that this tutorial has been helpful, and I hope this encourages you all to do video responses to your discussion board posts. Be well and happy recording.